Hey everyone, have you ever asked ChatGPT to generate YouTube titles and ended up with boring titles that nobody would click? The problem isn't ChatGPT, the problem is usually the prompt. In this video, I will show you how to write better prompts so ChatGPT generates YouTube titles that are optimized for SEO, clicks, and viewer interest. Also, do check out the YouTube Launch Playbook, which is written with pure intent to help YouTube beginners know all the tips and tricks with screenshots and step by step guide to set up and launch your channel the right way and also grow it in a way that is very organic. The link is in the video description. Now, let's take a real example. Suppose you have created a video called how to make a channel logo for your YouTube channel free, right? So, this one I am taking, right? So, many creators would ask chat gpt something like write a YouTube title for my video on creating YouTube channel logo for free, right? Now that's too vague, right? Still chat gpt is giving you some answers, right? But instead provide chat gpt with some more information, right? So I will give an example over here. So I am posting this prompt. Now you can see over here I'm asking ChatGPT to act as a YouTube growth expert and generate 20 YouTube titles for a tutorial showing how to make a channel logo for a YouTube channel for free. The target audience is beginner YouTubers. The primary keyword is how to make channel logo for YouTube channel free and create SEO focused, curiosity driven and high CTR titles. Keep titles under 70 characters. Now you would have seen there are certain aspects what we are doing here. We are telling ChatGPT to what the video is about, right? Over here we are saying what the video is about. Next, who is the audience for this video? Next, what is the keyword we want to rank for? Now I will tag my video over here on how to find keywords for your YouTube videos, and you can refer that to find the main keywords for your videos, and then you can use it to optimize for SEO. The last is the style of titles we want for this video, right? Now let's see what ChatGPT generates. Now this is what ChatGPT has generated, right? Now let's say your thumbnail has the text free logo, right? So I will again use this prompt. I will give this prompt where I mention my thumbnail says free logo, generate YouTube titles that complement the thumbnail without repeating the same words. So the idea is your title and thumbnail should go together, right? Now this will help you create better because now the thumbnail is in aligned with your title as well. Another useful trick is to ask ChatGPT to score the titles, right? So the simplest way would be I am just taking from their list itself to showcase in this demo, right? So this is one of the best ways to actually improve your existing titles, what are you listed. You can do this exercise for your channel videos which are already posted, and you can check what is the SEO and CTR score. You can do this easily with tools like vidIQ. When you just plug in and you get, it shows you the score on your YouTube dashboard itself, right? Now, using this method, you will get much better title ideas from ChatGPT and spend less time trying to figure out what to call your videos. If you found this helpful, subscribe to YouTube with Saave for more such YouTube growth tips and tutorials.